If your towel leaves the washer smelling like clean cotton, then turns sour the second it touches your wet hands, you did not discover a laundry ghost. You rehydrated the stink. Rude, honestly. Welcome back to Tidbits, and today our case file is a damp little mystery inside a towel I'm calling Loop Towers, a shaggy cotton apartment building where every loop is a tiny room, and a tiny nose detective is knocking on doors asking, "Why does this place smell fine until it rains?" The answer is not cursed fabric or bad perfume math. It is moisture, body oils, detergent residue, and odor-making microbes finding places to hide. A towel is built to hold water, which is exactly why it can betray you so efficiently. Terry cloth is covered in thousands of looped cotton fibres, and those loops give the towel much more surface area than a flat piece of cloth. Great for drying your face. Less great if loop towers floods and nobody opens a window. Each little loop room can hold a bit of moisture, and if a bath towel hangs folded, bunched, or wedged on a hook like a sad burrito, the inner layers dry slowly. That damp hallway is prime waiting room space for odour microbes. Once the water explains the hiding place, the next clue is the snack table. A towel that looks clean can still carry daily human crumbs, skin oil, sweat salts, dead skin flakes, a little hair product, and bathroom humidity. Normal stuff, not dramatic. But inside loop towers, body oils are crumbs under the couch, and too much detergent becomes sticky soap wallpaper. Extra detergent can fail to rinse out completely, especially in high-efficiency, low-water washers, or loads packed so tightly the towels can barely tumble. More detergent can make a towel stinkier, because soap left behind becomes furniture for the problem. Now Loop Towers has wet rooms, leftover snacks, and tacky wallpaper, so the only missing piece is who moves in. Odour-making microbes do not need a horror soundtrack. They need moisture, warmth, residue, and time. When the towel dries, they can go quiet enough that your nose detective shrugs and closes the file. Then water comes back, the orange party lights click on, and suddenly there is a sour after-party in Unit 4B. Your towel did not get recontaminated in 2 seconds. The old smell was waiting for water to open the door. That from nowhere smell also makes sense chemically, which is annoying but useful. Damp, warm fabric releases odour compounds more easily, especially when it is pressed against skin after a shower. So the towel seems innocent on the shelf, then confesses the moment it gets humid again. And if the party keeps coming back, the fix is not to bury it under lavender fog. You do not need nicer smells. You need an eviction plan. Start by using less detergent than the bottle's enthusiastic cap lines suggest. Many towel loads only need a small measured amount, especially in high-efficiency machines. Wash hot when the care label allows, because heat plus proper detergent helps loosen oils and residue better than a cold, crowded wash. Do not overload the washer. Towels need room for water to move through those cotton loops and rinse down the soap wallpaper. Then dry them fully and quickly. Spread them out after use, avoid damp piles, and before storage, check the thick seams and folded edges, because those are the basement units of loop towers. For towels already deep in their haunted apartment era, give them a reset without turning laundry into soup. A hot wash cycle, if the label allows, with measured detergent can help strip buildup. For stubborn residue, use laundry-safe oxygen bleach or washing soda, according to the directions on the package. Skip fabric softener on towels. It can leave a water-repelling coating that hurts absorbency and adds one more layer for grime to cling to. Vinegar can help with some mineral or odour problems, but keep it simple and separate, and do not mix it with bleach. If a towel still smells sour after residue removal, a hot safe wash and complete drying, I'm sorry, loop towers may be condemned. Demote it to rag duty. So the mystery is smaller, stranger, and more practical than it first looks. Sour towels are a tiny ecosystem problem. Absorbent loops, damp time, leftover oils, detergent residue, and microbes that wait quietly until water wakes them up. Serve loop towers its eviction notice. Less detergent, hotter wash when allowed. Full drying, occasional deep clean. Open the windows, escort out the sour after party, and remember, a towel does not need perfume. It needs fewer hiding places. Keep bringing me your ordinary home mysteries, smells, textures, suspicious kitchen behaviour, laundry objects with secrets, because the margins of daily life are packed with tiny clues. As always, stay curious.